What up, y'all? Welcome back to my channel, Summer here. So guys, in today's epic drawing tutorial, we're going to be drawing Goku Black Super Saiyan Rose 3, the Crimson Max Saiyan. Okay, now these are the guidelines. You need the guidelines. Okay, so as usual, if you're new to the channel, don't forget to like and subscribe, hit the notification bell so you can be notified anytime I upload another new video, or I upload every single day. So do support me by liking the channel, and then comment down below what you think about the video, comment your thoughts, and comment which character do you want to see next. I do reply to comments. I see all of you comments and I love all you. Let me leave you guys to the video. Hope you enjoy.
Even when you're not around. If there are boundaries, I will try to knock them down. I'm latching on, babe. Now I know what I have breath. close enough. I wanna lock in your love. I think we're close enough. Could I lock in your love, baby? I feel we're close enough. I wanna lock in your love. I think we're close enough. Could I lock in your love, baby? Now I've got you in my space. I to go. 'Cause I am happy on this island. Wanna be my fun-land. I don't ever want to leave. I'm in a tropic club. Something to hold on to, gotta find it first. But here I am, 'cause I've been laying under palm trees, waiting for the summer, knowing there's nowhere to go. 'Cause I am happy on this island.